Polar Vortex 2021, things are getting only better. Guys, I want to talk to you quickly about the situations as we have right now when the temperature is in the single digits or dipping slightly below zero. It is cold, right? So what is happening to the weapon? Fortunately for you, the AK rifle is made for the weather like this. It was designed for the weather like this, like a Polar Vortex is actually like for the AK wearing a t-shirt and shorts. So, all joking aside, as you know, the weapon controls are designed so you can use them comfortably with the either mittens or the gloves. You can operate that safety. You have that large charging handle so you can charge the rifle, and of course the trigger guard is big enough to fit the fingers with the gloves. That's not the problem on the AK. You don't have to do anything for that to work. You can also adjust the slider easily with the gloves on it. Attach the bayonet so you are that cool guy on the range for shooting with bayonet and things like this. So AK, as I said, was absolutely designed around the cold weather. As far as the lubrication, in the cold temperatures, you don't need any lubricants at all on the AK. AK can run absolutely dry, and this is what I would recommend. Dry out whatever you have and keep it dry. Do not use any lubricants if you want to. And I'm not going to dive in all those marketing campaigns and everything for the lubricants. Whatever you're using, it's up to you. The same with the cleaning supplies, okay? This is a subject for another video. Whatever you're using, it's up to you. But I will tell you that much. Please, at least if you're using any oils or anything, check the manufacturer label. And on the label, you should have a spec for that lubricant, at what temperature or inside what temperatures this lubricant is good. If you don't see the spec on the label, then I'm suspecting and I'll treat that lubricant as not winter ready. The same goes for all those magic greases and things like this. Watch out, that should be again on the label specified range of temperatures which those can be used, and they are not gunking up. Yes, I have seen the those magic products advertised by Navy SEALs and all these guys, right? Gunking up and jamming up the action and preventing the rifle from cycling. So don't be stupid. Do not buy into the hype, marketing hype, and check the labels if you will decide to use anything. But the simple way is just to keep it clean, keep it dry on the action, and don't have any lubricant at all when operating or using the weapon like AK in the cold weather. So this is dry as bone, and this rifle cycles perfectly fine. Nothing will be damaged, okay? You don't have to worry about that. Also, if you running something like I have here, this is the KNS piston. What is happening to the gas volume in a cold weather? Any takers? It will shrink. So you will have to probably adjust the settings on those pistons. Speaking about other things to watch out for, what I have seen in the past, this recoil spring rod, they have a sometimes tendency to snap in the cold weather. Watch out for that. You still will be able to shoot it, but it will make the functioning not really correct. So you may have to be forced to use the hand to charge and put the new round and eject the empty shell from it. But that's something to watch out for. It doesn't happen often. I have seen it to happen. So keep in mind also that recoil spring may take a beating in the cold weather. Something to keep an eye on it as well. But keep it dry, and you will be absolutely fine. It will operate and you're not going to be disappointed. Another thing to watch out when you're sleeping in the field in a cold weather. And I have seen those comfy guys who are setting up the tents and sleeping in the tents. Watch out for the condensation, because it will be warmer inside your tent by default, especially if you're using some type of the heaters and things like this, than outside. And the condensation sets in on the rifles. And what is happening, then you're coming out to the cold weather, and if it's like really cold, it freezes up immediately, and it can seize up the action of the rifle. So any metal parts, keep them dry, and don't do anything stupid, or watch out for that condensation. Do not let the water go inside the mechanism. Like, if the people cannot operate the safety levers, they cannot remove the magazines later on. It's all funny situations. The best way is to sleep on the ground. Suck it up, cupcake, and you will be fine. Just remember, don't get any frostbites, because that's not good. All right, that's it. That was a short video because of the beautiful polar vortex striking back. Don't be scared. You can still have fun outside, shoot, and use your AK rifle. Everything will be okay. As always, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube and hit that notification bell, so actually the YouTube will let you know that we posted the new video. Thank you very much, guys, and see you next time.